Do you want to play your favorite songs on the piano? If you do, then just give us a few minutes of your time each day and we could transform you, a total newbie, into a master pianist in just 30 days. Guaranteed. Can you imagine being the life of the party and watching as your disbelieving family and friends drop their jaws in amazement after you play classic and new songs such as How to Save a Life? Or how about making every party you go to unforgettable by putting everyone in a dance trance when you play songs such as Love the Way You Lie by Rihanna? If you want to be smooth and suave, how about playing something more sexy and intimate? Picture yourself serenading and making that special someone fall in love with you by playing romantic songs sure to sweep anyone off their feet, such as Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. The possibilities are endless. No matter what song you want to play or whatever genre be it, jazz, rhythm and blues, rock, pop, country, gospel, classics, our step-by-step video lessons and support program makes it possible for you to learn piano easily, fast, and in the comfort and privacy of your own home. So, if you are ready for people to start calling you cool, fun, and sexy, join today risk-free and start performing all of your favorite songs on the piano at the end of this month. I'm looking forward to seeing your standing ovation performance.